This is amazing. This is amazing. The seal is right beside us. I can see it swimming underwater. So this is a ring seal that's
this is a
circling
ring
the boat.
seal. They're
Oh, there it is right there. Wow, look at that. That is incredible.
and you can see its little flippers.
Yeah.
And it's so curious.
You can even see its little ear holes.
Yeah. And this is a young one. It's probably a young one born this year, and very incautious.
It's amazing to
Yeah.
see something this close to the boat. You never see seals this close.
Seals
Have you ever seen seals
not
this
this
close?
close. Yeah.